Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove footer margin from second and third page in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to remove the footer margin from the second and third page. Firstly, go to the window menu and enable the pages section. Then we can see here show the all page. Then we go to the second page. Then again go back the window menu and enable the layer option. Then select the frame text layer and enable the text frame option. We can see the insert is 0. You can increase this, otherwise the decrease this. Now I make 0. Then go to the third page and select the layer and make insert 0. Then close the panel. Then go back to another and we can see we remove the footer margin from first, second and third page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.